No, 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 no. They've always told you there's no guarantees in life. Well, how about guarantees in the home you purchase? How about guarantees that if you don't love your home, that we will either buy it back or we'll sell it in no commission to us? Hi, it's Gary Evans with Evans Realty Group, and I wanted to tell you just about one of our buyer satisfaction guarantees. If you use us to purchase a home, and we're going to do everything we can to find you the best home, suit your needs, our special service gets you access to all homes from all real estate companies, even those not listed on Zillow, the internet, truly any of the internet sites. We'll get you access to those homes because we have those. We're going to do everything we can to find the perfect home for you. We're going to represent, we're going to negotiate for you. We're going to work in your best interest. And if you don't love that home after 18 months, if you decide that this is not the place for you, we will sell it at no commission to us or we'll buy it back. So that's our guarantees. Wanted to let you know we're on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. Your referrals and your business really do help the kids at Texas Children's. Thanks for that. And if you found this information helpful, again, we're going to ask you to share it. We're going to ask you to like it. Send it around the world to the internet. So we'll be talking to everybody real soon. Again, thank you for watching. It's Gary Evans with Evans Realty. You can always call me at 832-721-0442. And we will be talking to every one of you folks again real soon.